Dear viewers, I hope you are all fine. This ultrasound video shows multiple mesenteric enlarged lymph nodes, that is mesenteric lymphadenitis. Mesenteric lymph nodes are considered to be enlarged when their short axis was 8 mm or more. Although 3 mm has previously been used as upper limit for the short axis diameter of the mesenteric lymph nodes, up to 39% of healthy normal people have larger lymph nodes than this. So a normal young adult body contains up to 450 lymph nodes. You can see the ascitic fluid, a free fluid seen in the lower abdominal cavity just above the urinary bladder, thick and turbid. Multiple internal echoes are seen in this thick fluid. A normal young adult body contains up to 450 lymph nodes, of which about 60 to 70 are found in the head and neck, 100 in the thorax, and as many as 250 in the abdomen and pelvis. Now you can see the area of scan is right iliac fossa, and you can see multiple enlarged lymph nodes in this area. Mesenteric lymphadenitis is an inflammation of lymph nodes. The mesenteric lymph nodes which become inflamed are in a membrane that attaches the intestine to the abdominal wall, that is called mesentery. Now you are going to see the lower abdominal cavity, the area above the urinary bladder, and you can see a significant amount of free fluid, thick free fluid seen. Now you are going to see the scanning with the high power probe. This is the free fluid and these are the gut loops. Now you can see the fluid seen in the lower abdomen. Now these are the mesenteric lymph nodes in the right iliac fossa. Multiple enlarged lymph nodes are seen along the iliac vessels. There are hundreds of lymph nodes that help the body to fight against diseases. They trap and destroy microscopic invaders like viruses or bacteria. The most common cause of mesenteric lymph node is a viral infection such as gastroenteritis. Other common causes may include bacterial infection, inflammatory bowel disease, and lymphoma. Now you can see the enlarged mesenteric lymph nodes. And the maximum enlargement of the lymph node measures about 15.6 into 15.5 millimeter. In underdeveloped countries, TB of intestine is also an important cause of these enlarged lymph nodes. Mesenteric adenitis is not normally dangerous, but having inflamed lymph nodes for a long time may be a sign of something more serious. If the glands are swollen due to severe bacterial infection and it is left untreated, it can spread to bloodstream, and this can cause the sepsis. Now you can see the enlarged lymph nodes, multiple enlarged lymph nodes in the right iliac fossa. Now you can see the gut loops, dilated gut loops. Symptoms of mesenteric adenitis can include pain in the lower right part of the abdomen or in other parts of belly, fever, then nausea and vomiting, diarrhea, general sick feeling called malaise, and weight loss. You can see the dilated gut loops, and free fluid is also seen in the lowermost portion of the abdominal cavity, in the lower abdominal cavity, in the area just above the urinary bladder. And you can also see the fluid is thick and turbid, having multiple internal echoes. You can see some important information in the description of this video. So these are the enlarged lymph nodes. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel. If you do like this video, please click the like button. Thanks.